Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. My name is Curtis Fillers, and today's video is going to be some training on the website IBO Toolbox. Yesterday, I did a video, general video overview of the website. They recently, over the probably over the last year, have been working on doing a complete upgrade of the system, and it's a it's an excellent place to be if you're in the network affiliate internet marketing online make money at home industry. It's the great place to be. You're around all like-minded people, so you don't have to worry about saying the wrong thing necessarily like you would on Facebook and getting put in Facebook jail, but because everyone's here more or less doing the same thing. So today, what I want to do today is I'm going to do little mini videos on almost every section of IBO Toolbox. And today, I've had a few people reach out to me about they're not quite sure about the advertising on here, if they're doing it right. So I want to do that real quick. I'm going to go ahead and put up I'm going to do this on the fly. I should have practiced this before the video, but I'm going to hope I do this right. I've got two or three up right now, but I'm going to do one here on the video text ad and show you how this is done. Okay, first off, you want to do is you want to go over here to the left, the main menu, right here where it has IBO advertising. Click that. And it's really fairly simple. You can read this right here if you'd like. Right here is you can put a number, which it instead of eating all your credits up, it'll stop after a certain number. You can do that to restrict it from eating all your credits up at one time. You may want to break your credits up and using them at different times of the day or whatever. But here's what you do. This button here, create new ad. Okay. Title. Like I said, I'm just going to make something up. This is not necessarily something I'm even going to keep up after I do this, but title. I got a free lead system that I'm giving away. So that's what this is going to be out. So I'm going to do something like grab your free system today. Okay. Then in here, you just want to put a little bit of ad text and let's see, what do I want to put here? Let's try get a free marketing lead system to use for free. You can give away yourself. That's just something there, just something so you see what I'm talking about. And then here's going to be the link. This is going to be the link where you want them to go once they click the ad. I'm going to put this one here in there. Copy link. Come back. Place that in here. Okay. And then here you want to come on down and in the check box, by checking this box, you're acknowledging that this ad costs 1 credit each time the ad is displayed when activated. Okay. And then this box here. Okay, by checking this box, you're acknowledging this ad can show up on the IBO Toolbox and any other IBO site where the size dimensions fit. Okay, then you hit create ad. Great, ad title's too long. Okay, I'm gonna take your out real quick, see if that works. Let's try this. Okay, there we go. Text ad is done. That's how easy that was. And see right here, it's up and ready. And see, here's the other thing. I have credits available. So I can get this turned on right now, which all you have to do is right here, click that, it turns green, it is now running. All right. And this right here, this is a resetter counter. After this, it counts how many views and how many clicks and what the click through rate is. After you run your ads, however long you want to run them, you just click this right here and it resets it back to 0. And you can see if there's a certain time of day that it's better to run than other. That's a good way of keeping up with your statistics there. And then you just click right here if you want to turn it off, if you get low on credits or for whatever reason, if you want to change it. Then right here is where you click if you want to go back in and edit that ad any way you'd like. So, and then what happens is these ads just appear on different areas of the site. It could be over here on the left. It could be on your profile. It could be on other IBO sites. This text ad could be there. And matter of fact, let me go over here to the wall and I'll show you if I can find a few. So like if you're on the wall over here, scrolling down, right here, see advertising showing up here on the left. That has who the advertiser is. And if I click on this, it'll take me to whatever this person has set up. Okay, resale rights. Okay, see how that works? So your ad could be at different places on the site, could be on your own social IBO social site. They got different sites, so it could be anywhere actually. So that's actually all I had today on the advertising. If you have any questions on the in the description below in the video, I'm also going to have a link. If you're not with IBO Toolbox and you'd like to be, it's a free website. It's free to use. The only time you'd spend money on here is if you want to. You can actually buy credits on here. There are certain things you can buy if you want to, but this can actually be used totally for free. And as of yesterday, I looked, and up here it was like just under 300,000 members. It's like 290 some thousand people that same mindset that you have, like-minded, work from home. That's how many people's in here that are available to show what you have to and connect with. So that's something else to look at. And see, once you put your advertising out here, you got 300,000 people that's looking at it. You come over here and comment on the wall. There's people that see you over here. So like I said, I'm going to do other videos on these different sections. It's real easy to get off topic here because I could sit here and talk for a long time about this website, but today was just the advertising. But if you have any questions, you can comment in the description below this video on YouTube, or you can send me a message here on IBO, or I will also have in the description my Facebook. If you would like to connect there, you can send me a message, add me as a friend, follow me, or all the above. I'd love to hear from you. So send me a message and let me know you're interested in getting started with IBO. I don't get anything out of it. I can just help you out as much as possible. And it's a great place to advertise and get leads to whatever business opportunity you have. So with that being said, I'm going to get going. And today is August the 6th, 2019, and it's a Tuesday. And we hope you guys have a great day. And thanks again for watching this video. And if you would, I would appreciate any likes on the video, and I would appreciate a subscription if you don't mind subscribing to my channel. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.